Hello! Is that plastic or rubber?
Today we are walking and we see some trees. We have some plants. There's another tree. Some more plants. We found a golf ball on our walk.
Look, Maggie.
What did we?
An acorn.
We found an acorn.
Who eats acorns?
Birdie.
Birdies.
What is it?
A hole. It's a hole.
Where's the hole?
This one.
Look, we found a hole and you see lots of sticks and leaves and acorns and dirt on the ground. Yep, there's the hole we found. Let's see what else we can find. As I walk, I see brown leaves on the ground, but green leaves in the sky, on the trees. So they're brown on the ground, green on the trees.
Maggie, hide your face behind it. You'll hold it up like this and walk up to her. Say peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
It's Maggie! We also have Titus, our dog, on our walk. On our walk, I see a great tree. But at the bottom, I notice there's leaves on the ground. I wonder why the leaves are brown on the ground, but green on the tree.
Can you go get it? Go get the orange leaf.
Titus is gonna get it.
Oh, I am. This one is orange.
That's an orange leaf. What's that? That's nature?
No. That's the nature over there.
Where?
Over there.
Nature. So we are taking a walk down the nature.
We're taking a walk at the nature.
What are we gonna see?
Birdie.
Birdies?
No.
Do we see birdies in the trees?
I don't know how to.
No.
I see a bird's nest.
I don't see it.
You don't see it? There's a
Where does it go? I just
bird's nest.
Beep, beep, da,
to let
beep,
it
da.
move. Look, Maggie.
We're finding some flowers.
Willow. Willow.
Where's a yellow flower? Can you show me? We found a yellow flower.
You got?
Yellow armadillo.
Mud.
What is this?
Mud.
That is mud.
Ah.
Ugh, yucky water.
Yep.
But there's a golf ball in the mud and there's some leaves.
And some.
We found some moss. That's the green verde in the water.
Some turtle doves.
We just saw some birds fly. Looks like they're going to their
Yes.
nest up in the trees. Here we have a busy ant.
He's trying to find his colony.
I wonder what bugs you will see. Okay, we're walking down to the creek and it's a little bit dark. It's
Interesting cattails.
ooh, my mom pointed out that there's some interesting cattails along this walkway. So here, we wanted to see the
a little
creek,
bit.
but we can't because there's too much overgrown grass.